Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 9 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 and click on view all lessons. There you can find all the chapters listed. So, we're going to start with the chapter linear functions. So, here is the list of the lessons we are going to cover today. They are find a missing coordinate using slope, find the slope form from 2 points, slope intercept form, find the slope and y-intercept, and slope intercept form graph and equation. Got it? Okay, so let's start with the first lesson, that is find a missing coordinate using slope. So let me write down the lesson name. The lesson name is find the missing coordinate using slope. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Got it? Let's start with find the missing coordinate using slope. So you're given a slope and a coordinate. You have to find the second coordinate. Here I'm on grade 9 maths. The chapter name is linear functions and the lesson name is find a missing coordinate using slope. Click on the continue button and here I am on the tutorial. Let's start with the first question. A line that indicates a point 10t and 9, 1 has a slope of 9. What is the value of the t? You are given with two of the points. The points are 10 and t and 9 and 1, and you are given with the slope that is 9. Got it? So we know that the slope m equals change in y divided by change in x. This is x1 y1 x2 y2, or either you can say it would be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, isn't it? We have the value of the m, just replace the variables with the values. M equals 9, y2 is 1, minus y1 is t. That is y2, that is y1, 1 minus t divided by 9 minus 10. Got it? Okay, so you have 9 equals 1 minus t, 1 minus t, and 9 negative 10. 9 minus 10 is negative 1. Got it? Just do cross multiplication, it would be negative 9 equals 1 minus t. Move the t to the other side and make negative 9 to the other side. Move negative 9 to it would be positive. So 9 plus 1 is 10. That means the missing point t is, here we have t, it would be 10 and 10. Got it? The point is 10 and 10. Got it? The missing value is 10. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, let me just. Okay, find the a line that includes the point 2, negative 2, 3 and negative 3s has a slope of 10. What is the value of the s? Okay, a line includes the slope, the points are negative 2 and 3, and the second one is negative 3 and s, and the slope given is 10. M equals 10. Got it? We know that the slope equals change in y divided by change in x. Got it? Either you can write m equals x y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is x1, y1, this is x2 and y2. Just replace all the values. M is 10, have 10. Y2 is s minus 3 and x2 is negative 2, negative 2. Got it? Just solve this. It is 10 equals s minus 3 and negative is positive, so it will be negative 3 positive 2. So negative 3 positive 2 is negative 1. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. It would be the negative 10 equals s minus 3. Move that negative 3 to the other side, it would be then positive 3. So negative 10 positive 3 is negative 7. Got it? That means the missing value is negative 3 and negative 7. Got it? It would be just negative 7. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is a line has a slope of negative 5 and includes the point negative 1t, negative 2, negative 3. What is the value of the t? Slope is negative 5 and the points are negative 1t and negative 2 and negative 3. We find the value of the t. We know that the slope m equals y2 minus y1, that is the change in y, divided by x2 minus x1, change in x. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So simply replace all the values with the all the variables with the values. So here you have negative 5, y2 is negative 3 minus t and divided by negative 2 minus negative 1. Negative 5 equals 3 minus t and negative 2 plus 1. Got it? It would be negative 5 equals 3 minus t and negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Do cross multiplication. Negative 5 times negative 1 makes positive 5 and you have 3 minus t. Got it? Move the t to the other side. It would be then 3 negative 5. So 3 negative 5 is negative 2. It would be t equals negative 2. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the mm, negative 1t, negative 2, negative 3. Let me just check. Negative 3 minus t and negative 2 minus minus 1. So it would be minus minus plus 1, negative 2 plus 1 and negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So it makes negative 1 times negative 5 makes positive 5. It would be 3. Oh yes, we have negative 3. I forgot to write the negative sign over here. It would be negative 3. Got it? So it would be negative 3 and negative 5. Got it? So negative 3, negative 5 makes negative 8. Got it? That means the factor, the missing s is negative 8. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. The next one is the point 60 and 4 negative 9 fall on the line with a slope of 2. What is the value of the t? If you have any question, any problem, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions and confusions. Got it? Okay, the point is 6 and t and 4 and negative 9. And you're given with a slope that is 2. 64 negative 9. Yes, okay. We know that the slope equals y2 minus 1, y1 that is change in y divided by change in x. Got it? So the slope is 2, so here you have 2. Y2 is, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Y2 minus y1 that is negative 9, negative t, and x2 is 4 and minus 6. Got it? So it would be 2 divided by negative 2 equals negative 9, negative t divided by 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Just to cross multiplication, it would be 2 times negative 2 and negative 9 minus t. 2 times 2 is negative 4 equals negative 9 minus t. Move the t to the other side, it would be then positive, and move that negative 9 to the other side, it would be then positive. So negative 9 positive 4 is negative 5. Got it? So t equals negative 5. So the correct option is negative 5. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is find the slope from 2 points. Let me write down the lesson name. So the lesson name is find the slope from 2 points. Okay, let's start with the lesson find the slope from 2 points. Okay, so now you are given with the 2 points, you just have to use the point and find the slope. Got it? Like we do, we know that the slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Change in y divided by change in x. 1, 4, 9, 9. The points are 1 and 4, 9 and 9. Let me read the question. Find the slope of the line passes through the points. So these are the 2 points. You have to find the slope. We know that slope equals m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Got it? This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Let's just do y2 minus y1. 9 minus 4. Subtract 9 minus 1. 9 minus 4 is 9 minus 4 is 5 and 9 minus 1 is 8. That means the slope for the point is 5 over 8. Got it? So the correct option is 5 over 8. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is find the slope of the line that passes through 7, 9 and 114. The points is 7, 9 and 1, 4. 7, 9 and 1, 4. So slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus, that is x2 and x1 and y1, and then this is the x2 and y2. Got it? Let's just replace all the variables with the value y2 minus y1 is 4 negative 9 and x2 minus x1 is 1 negative 9. So 4 negative 9 is negative 5 and 1 negative 5 is a negative 8. So it would be 5 divided by 8. Got it? 5 divided by 6. X2, it would be 1 minus 7. Sorry, not 8. It would be negative 5, negative 6. So it makes 5 or 6. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Negative 5 by 6. 4 minus 9 and 1 minus 7. Oh, it is 14, not the 4. It is 14. So 14 negative 9 is positive 5 and 1 it is negative. So then it would be the answer is negative 5 over 6. Got it? The answer is negative 5 over 6. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it. Okay, find the slope of the line that passes through the point 6, 12, 8, 9. 6 and 9 and 6, 12, 8, 9. 6, 12, 8 and 9. Got it. So it would be x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. So the slope is y2 minus y1, 9 minus 12 and x2 minus x1. It would be negative 3 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So the correct option is negative 3 over 2. It would be negative 3 over 2. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, find the slope of the line that passes through 10, 5, 2, 12. Got it? It would be 10, 5, 2 and 12. 10, 5 and 2, 12. 2 and 12. So it is x1, y1, x2, y2. So you have to do y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it is 12 minus 5 and 2 minus 10. 12 minus 5 is 7 and 2 minus 8 is 2 minus 10 is negative 8. So it would be negative 7 over 8. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the okay, the next one is slope intercept form, find the slope and y-intercept. Let me write down the lesson name, then we'll start with the okay. The lesson name is slope intercept form, find the slope and y-intercept. Slope intercept form, find the slope and y-intercept. Okay, so here is the lesson name, that is find intercept form, slope intercept form, find the slope and the y-intercept. Let's start with the, we are on grade 9 maths. We're working on grade 9 maths. The chapter name is linear functions. And the lesson we're going to start with is slope intercept form, find the slope and y-intercept. Got it? Let's start with the test button. Okay, find the y-intercept of the equation. Got it? It would be y equals -10 and minus x. Got it? Let me write down the equation. Y equals -10x and -4. So the general form of the equation of slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Got it? If you compare both the equations, here you have m and here you have -10. So m equals -10. Got it? When you compare these two, so b equals -4. So actually b is the y-intercept. Got it? We have two ways to find the y-intercept. That is the one. Just compare the given equation or either rewrite the equation in the form y equals mx plus b. This way you will get the y-intercept. Got it? It would be, let's start with the test questions. Okay, what is the y, find the y-intercept of the equation? The equation is -5x plus 3. Okay, the equation is y equals -5x plus 3. Got it? You have two ways to find the um, y-intercept. So just use, you have to compare the equation with the general form of the slope intercept form, that is y equals mx plus. We just compare the values, so m equals -5 and b equals 3. Got it? This is the simplest way to find the slope and the value of, that is m equals 5 and b equals 3. Got it? And the other way is just put any of the points in the equation and you'll get the, replace the x with a 0. The simplest way is replace the x with a 0. Got it? So it would be y equals -5 times 0, because the y-intercept means the x is 0. Got it? So just replace the x with a 0. So 0 times -5 is 0 and plus 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. That is the easiest way to find the slope intercept, the y-intercept from the slope intercept form. Got it now? Okay, so the slope is y equals 3. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is y equals -10x -3. So which one is the slope? Which one is the y-intercept? The equation is y equals -10x -3. You have to find the y-intercept. Got it? So the simplest way to find the y-intercept is just compare the equation with the general form of the slope-intercept form equation. Y equals mx plus b. Got it? Just compare the equations. M equals -10 and b equals -3. That is actually the y-intercept. Got it? Or the other way to find the y-intercept is, because you have to find the y-intercept. So on the y-intercept, all the x values must be 0. Got it? Replace the x with a 0. So it would be -10 times 0 minus 3. Got it? So y equals -10 times 0 is 0 and 0 minus 3 is -3. Got it? These are the two ways to find the slope, the y-intercept. Got it? It would be -3. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Find the slope of the line. So which of the option is the correct one? It would be when you compare the equation with the general form of the slope-intercept form, that is y equals mx plus b. It would be y equals 3 by 4x plus 9 by 4. So compare this equation to the general form of the slope-intercept form, that is y equals mx plus b. So the slope is 3 over 4 and the y-intercept is 9 over 4. Got it? So just select the correct option and move on to the next question. The B is 9 over 4. Got it? Hmm? Okay. You have to find the slope, not the y-intercept. So slope in this equation is 3 over 4. Got it? So select option. Correct option is 3 over 4. Okay. Find the y-intercept of the following equation. Simplify your answer. So which is the y-intercept? The first option or the second one? It would be just compare the equation with the slope-intercept form, that is y equals mx plus b. So b equals 5 over 9. Got it? So here is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is find the slope of the line y equals negative 9 over 7 x. So when you compare the equation with negative 9x, m equals mx plus b. So actually b is 0. Got it? But you have to find the slope here. So the slope of the equation is, so the slope is negative 9 over 7. Got it? That is y equal mx plus b. You are not given with a b. And when you compare, m equals negative 9 over 7. Got it? Okay, find the slope of the line. You have to find the slope. So which option is the correct one? The first one or the second one? Okay, find the slope of the line. Y equals negative 8 over 7x plus minus 1. So which is the correct option? Which is the slope? The first one or the second one? The first one is the slope. Got it? M equals negative 8 over 7. So the correct option is the first one. Got it? Because the slope equals negative 8 over 7. Okay, find the y-intercept of the following equation. Simplify your answer. It would be y equals mx plus b. So the y-intercept is b is the y-intercept. So b in the equation is, it would be, yes, very good. It would be 2 over 9. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. If you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions if you have any. That is y equals 5 over 7. So the slope is, you have to find the slope for the equation. It would be 5 over 7. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, what is the slope of the line y equals 1 by 4x plus negative 5 over 4? So which is the slope of the equation? The slope is y m equals 1 over 4. Got it? So the correct option is 1 over 4. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is find the y-intercept of the following equation. Y equals negative 10x minus 4. So the y-intercept equals negative 10. Got it? Sorry, negative 10 is the slope. The value of the y-intercept is negative 4. Got it? It would be negative 4. Got it? The slope is negative, the y-intercept is negative 4. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, find the y-intercept of the following equation. Simplify your answer. So which is the correct option? If you compare the equation with the general form of the equation, that equals y equals mx plus b. It would be 3 over 8. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, find the slope. Y equals negative 1 over 2x, negative 8 over 9. So the slope is m equals negative 1 over 2. Okay, we have completed the test. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is slope intercept form graph and equation. Go back. Let me write down the lesson name. Slope intercept form. Write an equation. So the graph and equation, not write. Okay, let's start with the lesson slope intercept form. The very next lesson, graph and equation. Got it? Okay, graph the line using the y-intercept. Y equals x plus 9. Got it? We have to. Okay, the equation is y equals x plus 9. We have to graph this line using the slope and y-intercept. You have to, given with the equation that is equation that is y equals x plus 9, you have to graph the equation. Got it? We know that the slope m, if you compare the equation, m is 1 and b is 9. Got it? That means the slope is 1 and the b is 9. So you can find the x-intercept of the x and y-intercept of the equation. So for the x-intercept, you always put y equals 0 in the equation. Just replace y with a 0. So here you have 0 equals x plus 9, and move the a positive 9 to the other side. It would be x equals negative 9. Got it? So you have one of the point that is 0 and negative 9. Okay, just find the y-intercept of the equation. So whenever you have to find the y, you are given with a y-intercept that is 9. Got it? That means x is, sorry, that is the point negative 9, 0. X is negative 9, not y. Got it? So it would be negative 9 and 0. And we have the value of the y-intercept, that means x is 0 and the y-intercept is 9. Got it? Let's just draw the graph of the equation. Here you have x is 0 and x is 0 and y is negative 9. You are here because here you have negative 9. Then x is 0 and y is 9. You are here. So just join these 2 points to form a line. Here is the line of the equation. That's how you have to graph the lines. Got it? Find the x-intercepts and the y-intercepts. Or also you can find the points, like just replace the x a 1. So it would y equals 1 plus 9. That means when x equals 1, y equals 10. Got it? Here you can find, here you have 1. Just find the value on the point. It would be then 10. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to the next example. Because it's a tutorial only, you don't have the questions on the test. Okay, the next one is y equals 3x plus 4. Okay, the next equation is y equals 3x plus 4. Okay, so you have the slope m equals 3 and the y-intercept, that would be 4. You have to find the x-intercept only. So for the x-intercept, you have to put y equals 0 in the equation. Replace the y with a 0. 0 equals 3x plus 4. Move that 4 to the other side, it would be negative 4 equals 3x. You have to find the value of x only, so divide both sides by 3. So it would be x equals negative 4 over 3. Or either you can find the points, the value in the decimal points. Got it? So just you can find the value, like for example x equals 1, so replace the 1. It would be 3 times 1 plus 4. 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So when x equals 1, y is 7. When x is when you have to put x equals 0, not y. For the x-intercept you have to put y equals 0. Yes, so when x is okay, when y is 0, x equals negative 4 over 3, and the y-intercept is x is 0 and y is 4. So just use these 4 points. The first one is 0 and 4. X is 0, y is 4. Here you have the y is 4. The second one is when x is 0, x equals negative 4 over 3. Negative 4 over 3 equals 1.3, I think. 4 over 3. Yes, it is 1.3. So it is 1 and 1.3. Here is the point. Got it? It would be x is negative 4 by 3. So here you have. So just connect these two lines to form the graph. It would be like this. Got it? Here is the graph. Oh, we have the negative value. Yes, negative 4 over 3. Sorry, that is not this side. That is on this side of the equation. Got it? So just join these 2 points. So here is the line. Got it? Okay. So I've just left with one of the questions and it is already solved. So you have to do the rest of the questions by yourself. Got it? So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We are working on the chapter linear functions. The lessons are find a missing coordinates using slope, find the, find the slope from 2 points, slope intercept form, find the slope and y-intercept, slope intercept form, graph and equation. You have 5 minutes. If you have any question, any problem, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. If you find the session helpful for you, please click on the like button right below the video. So thank you for your participation. Thank you all. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.